Welcome back to the Miyagi course. In our last lesson, we learned how to create your personal brand and enhance your presence on LinkedIn. Today, we'll explore how to use generative AI in marketing to create valuable content and achieve your business goals. Always start with creating value first, then make an offer. Begin by defining your target audience. Know who you want to attract. Let's dive into some prompts to help you get started. First, identify your target audience. You are a best-selling copywriter. You target online marketing professionals, small business owners, freelancers, and digital creatives. They are experienced, highly skilled professionals in their fields. Is it okay? Reply with a simple yes or no if you have any questions. Next, generate content ideas. List 10 content ideas for launching a video. Then, create engaging hooks for your video. Write 5 hooks for a video on the power of using AI in video marketing. Now, craft an introduction for your video. Write the introduction paragraph for a video titled "The Power of Using AI in Video Marketing." Finally, enhance the introduction. Rewrite this intro in the voice of a high-converting copywriter. Understanding your audience's motivations is key. Consider the value from 2 perspectives. 1, to your client. What benefits do they gain? 2, intrinsic value. What is the inherent worth or usefulness of your content? Practice these prompts to create content that resonates with your audience and adds significant value. Over 74% of my viewers haven't subscribed. If you've enjoyed my videos, please subscribe. Your support helps me grow the channel and improve content. Subscribe now and let's grow together. Thank you for watching. All the prompts are listed below. Check the description for a link to subscribe to my email list and get my free guide, which is always kept up to date with the latest tips. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to create social posts quickly and efficiently using AI.